Trails are scattered all around the town of Newton, and there are a lot of them to talk about. But in this video, the trail that's going to be discussed is the Greenway Trail. The Greenway Trail is a 0.7 to 1 mile long street trail. If you're looking to walk, run, bike, or even look at trees, this is the trail for you. The Greenway starts at the old coffee shop and ends behind the parking lot of NewTV, in which it connects to Newton Highlands with Charles River. While you are doing your activity on this trail, you can look at the fabulous artwork that was made by the Newton conservators while making this trail. But before we talk about what else you can do on the trail, let's take a brief history of how the Greenway Trail came to be. Back in 1852, the Upper Falls station, or what is now called the Depot Coffee Shop, was made for the train. And then, over 100 years later, in 1958, the MBTA added a D line to Riverside due to Boston and Albany service being terminated. A proposal was then made to create a service on a branch of the line specifically connecting from Newton Highlands to Needham. It was trying to be created, but ultimately was not executed. Freight service on the Upper Falls branch continued through at least 1984. And then, when 2011 came, there was a proposal to create a trail called the Greenway Trail, where they would start to get rid of the train tracks on the Greenway to become trailways, and this went on from 2013 to 2015. And then, when 2016 came by, the Greenway was open. Now that you know much more about the Greenway Trail's history and how it came to be, you can learn about how there are plenty of gateways beyond just doing outdoor activities on it. The trail is located behind the buildings on Needham Street, and there are several entries where you can take the Greenway to Needham Street for a shortcut. The first entry is at the start of the first right and left way, where you can go right rather than going left. After when you take that right, you will be right in front of WHDH-TV Tower, and there you will find your way to Needham Street. The second way to Needham Street through the Greenway Trail is with an exit sign in the middle of the trail where it will lead to Newton Nexus Mall, and there you will be on Needham Street. And lastly, you can go to the end of the trail where you will be at NewTV's parking lot, and then from there, Needham Street will be in your sight. So what are you waiting for? This trail is yours to do any of the activities you want to do on it. Go visit the Greenway Trail today, and visit newtonconservators.org, or look at the board at the end of the trail for more information. Thank you.